Attention TV so and they send share be message or be like no subscribe no I say now will be so when you so Attention TV so and I say ye memu Ghana when we say I feel we can be ye nyina beto abaya pon man penny na just say wo be a pre na politics ni send you omo ye na eye Cheddar be di akon a wono ohwe ne billboard na wakata na just say ni wo de ba no hu pa was what the apple crabako to Kumasa my niaje ye wa here mu Ghana ye brepa especially and my bros over share man I yet at 20 men in a yamay enti yento abana man when Ajagurajah a ye prophet a siamo woko phobia ya Ajagurajah movement transfer a year okay FM granting interview near bisan about Cheddar was it Cheddar and yet Ghana and president no pesodi name all the Africa countries in no person dear so. Na se Ghana for boy home so and I said Cheddar nya kwenya na wo betre konwa so na so be president wo be sin Gaddafi na membo na be sin Gaddafi die no my uncle Ajagurajah ho nko fa ne a wo de my embrasisia.
With all of these things you are saying, could that not be the reason a lot of people think that you just need something from him?
Na me pa cho me busa question no me me tie akura se de kwanta na acha aduane dia na me here flow bi ho me to ban ku na me che
sanete o hia bia mole ene eburu
but wait boss
no me can go na chiro
also what's his name again?
Money power empower
That's your name. Earlier you were
me dem obi please get me ba cho obi abata me campaign and me kebi money bia me nya more and I conte me baby bia o me V8 me hwe aya bro conte no hia yen ene hia yen.
But wait, but you have a lot of cars.
I have a lot of cars, fine. And the time can just say
you even released a brand new
Obiato V8 acheme.
Some huge car.
Yeah, V8 Obiato acheme.
It's Mbabe Faba.
Many problem cars in the go. I don't need anything from anybody because I got me. But the American say so the president maybe 2028 he come there. Uncle fa and Kuruman Baba and Nanti.
What if she refuses?
I want you. But Cheddar is going to be the president of Ghana one day. Not today. But obedi president, mi donyanko ponse, mafia kutani. Mi donyame. That guy, on Fadi Enche. Reincarnation of Nkrumah no. The anybody here Nkrumah nyina no ba be bia tuaka. Mi odi a prophecy ma me dey ma wo. Me di kaka Cheddar ho asem ansa na oba be ka to be the president. The same person I mean say the same thing chiro.
What if he never becomes president yet?
Me say
he'll be alive.
Ebi ti say John Dumelo and Tvgh Bano. John Dumelo will never be president.
Oh,
Lawrence Bano be the president.
Why do you say that?
Nana ye kasun suma sem na chiro. Lawrence Babano will be president of Ghana. She's going to be the first female president of Ghana. Ne mami ambition no be take over.
Okay, so all of these things, are you saying this out of...
I am saying this because Ajagurajah has told me.
Has Ajagurajah told you who will be president in the... So if that's the case, why are you...
But NDC for any MPP for Mbamin, Makachiromo. Put to be Makacho the woman, Makacho play. Me diano. One, the does wouldn't say Yamiesha, me, you BB. And me to one men Ozampa, many saw them. Said the cousin Kwame was a dying Kwame was saying, me yashi. Maybe to a question to be fair, if you come to take me. Me be a many baby. But no currently say, so be the president, dear. And your own fan Kromabano. No could sit down be an a monument be. And so Kwame Kuma Kromo.
Okay, wait. Now let's look at the divide. The NDC and MPP.
We were your policy NDC and MPP dear. We soon na tabaya for who money ye. You ever see about me? Catch me, Jimmy. Otuana, so you're for Kajam data, not a catch a brown as the patch of his road. You be feeling so him.
But are you scared of all these things?
So for be a way Jimmy and own slow politician. When I'm catch your praying, just see by my leg to Mika. Oba, Mam Kotashi. Like to be flag free Suruba. Wakum bala D4 400 just be say o kire nyambo mi do Nyankopon se ma mo wa anye se D4 mba ko asesam the Bible say ne kwanti o sori gane D4 oba ma nto wuram na me kwa bresi ama me to kwa anyu wo ekurase me kwa ntakora bu mun jiji ska ma me ko to kwanta.
Lord have mercy. Listeners, in case you just tuning, you're listening to Hits 103.9 FM. I'm having a conversation with Osofo Kwame Cheddar, CEO.
But you say that TikTok for us 1.8 kg na so sisi e TikTok.
That's what's up.
Good.
That's what's up. The founder of Ajagurajah movement. Have you found it, please?
Bema atiayira na. Ana pede o. Odi superglue kankan.
There are a lot of comments. Jabba Justice says, please let him add more English small. Sister Yachi Mude says, is the Legon part for me?
You do 2K. You do 2K. You do 2K.
Toy Boy says, Nyamisha Legon forma.
Nyamisha mo. Legon forma do menina cho. Okay, there no organic views. Where the man talk? Where the natural views? What Jakambu ana?
Nanaja says, every girls for you that's it.
Come on, me tie. Like I told them. Yanko.
1 Kings 19 verse 1.
1 Kings 19 verse 1.
Now I have Bekacha Jezebel dear Elia ye nu.
I have Bekacha Jezebel. The Elia ye di for na.
Said you come di for nu na.
Said what's your come di for na.
Grantano.
And Grantano.
Not just say Cheddar or Africa countries ni na president edi. Akwem say the vision a big pa. Wow. And wow Cheddar semen what to man na what we be ama yenso ya hwe say we were gentle guy or ya branty enti anka yentra branty no so hwe na nka nkokrafo no ne mbrafo no wo mun ko trans ne hwe ate ekuyentwa makra